Hey, do you want a six-figure coaching business working less than 20 hours a week, transforming people's lives at the deepest level without living on social media or without sacrificing your family life in the process? I remember wanting to genuinely help people improve their lives and make a great income in the process. And at the time, I didn't know where to start, who had the money to even pay me to coach them, and where to find them even if I did. And it wasn't until I discovered a step-by-step process on how to find the right people, how to get them to approach me, and how to get them to pay you money before I started making money myself and showing others how to do the same simple process. Listen, if you want to have a successful coaching business working less than 20 hours a week, helping people at the deepest level as a coaching influencer, watch this 8-minute video that I put together for you that shows you the simplest way on how to build a successful coaching business, but I also show you the quickest way on how to get paid coaching clients and get them results. So click below and watch as I show you not only how to make a transformational impact, I also show you how to increase your income in the process.